My video will help you to remove the browser notifications related to the site Ainasimpleg.xyz. Ainasimpleg.xyz, a deceptive website that now attacks Google Chrome, Firefox, and some other popular browsers. The website, by the way, tries to infect your computer and your browser in particular with the feature of extremely annoying web push notifications. Here, in this particular case, it indicates that you need to tap the Allow button to continue watching some movie. It could tell you that you need to tap Allow for the purpose of age verification or for proving that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. But in reality, when people mistakenly do that, when they agree with this proposal and click on Allow, the browser gets hijacked and infected. So people start getting a lot of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the screen. So, to fix these issues, you need to immediately implement certain measures. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and research the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Find this malicious site and remove it from the list. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start investigating your computer with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.